Hey guys, so if you have the issue that your TP link is not connecting to Wi-Fi, someone wrote here on Reddit this. Did you reboot everything when you hooked up the new router? If not, there's your issue. I reset the router completely but still no internet access. Reboot the modem, wait until the modem completely reinitialize and reboot the router. So try this out, maybe it's going to help you. So I have FTTH connection, so there is no router instant ONT. I tried rebooting everything, but nothing worked. But at last, after going through numerous videos, post forums, I found my router wasn't picking IP address. So tried sort out and find the problem to be solved was the MAC address. Change it that, boom, it started working. So it also fixed this issue, and maybe it's going to help you too. I hope it does. So thank you very much for watching and have a great day and goodbye. Just do this.